How to replace the P2S extruder interface board. First, remove the tool head housing. Open the front cover of the tool head. Press the connector latch, unplug the cable, and remove the front cover. Next, use tweezers to press the black ring on the pneumatic fitting and remove the PTFE tube. Using a 1.5mm hex key, remove the 4 screws on both sides of the tool head. Hold the rear cover near the upper guide rod and pull it backward to remove it. Now, remove the 4 screws. Rotate the cable chain bracket to align with the slot on top of the middle frame. Gently flex the bottom of the frame to release it, then remove the middle frame. Open the connectors for the TH board FPC cable and the extruder motor cable and disconnect them. Then open the connector cover on the Hall sensor board and unplug the cable. Remove the 2 screws securing the extruder interface board and take it out. Open the connector latch on the back of the old board, remove the TH board FPC cable, and connect it to the new board. Install the new extruder interface board and tighten the screws. Reconnect the Hall sensor cable and close the connector cover. Don't forget to reconnect the TH board FPC cable and secure its connector as well. Finally, reassemble everything in reverse order: middle frame, rear cover, and front cover. All done! Your printer is now back to its best condition.